As an operations director, your day is filled with balancing a myriad of demands of production schedules, employee management, and quality control. It's a role that demands vigilance and efficiency, leaving little room for unforeseen disruptions. However, one area that often gets overlooked amidst this hustle is the impact of criminal activity on your facility's overall efficiency. While security might not be at the forefront of your daily concerns, understanding the hidden costs associated with criminal activity can be crucial for maintaining seamless operations. Let's take a closer look at how these hidden factors can affect your manufacturing efficiency in ways you might not expect. Firstly, the toll on productivity. One of the most palpable effects of criminal activity within the manufacturing premises is its detrimental impact on productivity. Incidents such as theft, vandalism, or sabotage disrupt the workflow, leading to downtime and delays. Whether it's the loss of valuable equipment, damage to machinery, or the need to halt operations for investigation, each instance chips away at the precious time and resources that drive your production schedule. Next, quality control concerns. Beyond the immediate disruption caused by criminal acts, there's a more insidious threat lurking beneath the surface: compromised quality control. Instances of tampering or unauthorized access to production lines can introduce defects or contaminants into your products, jeopardizing their quality and safety standards. Detecting and rectifying such issues not only incurs additional costs, but also tarnishes your reputation in the eyes of your customer. Next, financial fallout. The financial implications of criminal activity extend far beyond the immediate losses incurred from theft or damage. There are often hidden expenses associated with security upgrades, insurance premiums, and legal procedures following incidents. Moreover, the erosion of employee morale and trust can lead to increased turnover rates, recruitment expenses, and training costs, all of which contribute to the overall financial constraint on your operations. Lastly, supply chain disruptions. In today's interconnected manufacturing landscape, criminal activity doesn't just threaten the confines of your facility, it also poses a risk to your entire supply chain. A breach in security within your premises can cascade into disruptions upstream as well as downstream, affecting suppliers, distributors, and ultimately your customers. These ripple effects can amplify the costs and complexities of managing your operations amidst heightened security concerns. While the immediate impacts of criminal activity on manufacturing efficiency may seem apparent, it's the hidden costs that often catch operation directors off guard. As stewards of manufacturing operations, it's imperative to recognize these hidden costs and proactively implement robust security measures to safeguard efficiency, integrity, and reputation. In the next installment of this series, we'll explore actionable strategies for mitigating these risks and fortifying your facilities from criminal threats.